Gone. He's played on.
Throughout his 4 overs in the previous game, he got it right up there, invited the drive, and then the whip of the arm as it comes through. Got him. Got him. Another one caught.
For a moment, thought he got hold of that. He played it just a little to the left of Miller, and he was quick to get to that. That's a good catch take. It was hit hard, it was hit flat. Is that going down? Oh, he's given him. For a moment, thought it might be just going down, but the umpire puts the finger up. What's he going to do? Is he going upstairs?
Tell you something, I tell you, that has hit Iftikhar before he got his bat down. That was quick.
Impacting line, hitting the wickets. I'll ask you to stay with your original decision. Stand by. Here on screen now.
Ihsanullah. And I like this captaincy as well. Big shout from Rizwan. Big shout.
Ask for it. He's asked for it. We'll go for the third.
Okay, we've got a clear spike as the ball is next to the bat.
Yeah, they were convinced behind the wicket.
Followed straight. You haven't got anything. He has 5 wickets. What a performance. 2.4 overs, 5 for 3.
What a beauty this is. Just through him. Top of off, thank you very much. You're having a night to remember. 68 for 8 now, as Naseem Shah goes for just the